Hello everyone, I am Madhu from first year CS base and my topic is virtual stadium experience for sports app. Introduction. Here is a simple idea to make sports more exciting and engaging. Virtual stadium experience. The feature uses special technology called augmented reality to create a virtual stadium on your phone or tablet. It lets you feel like you are in the stadium even if you are watching the game from home or somewhere else. How it works? It shows live virtual view and it informs the real time and starting interactive feature. We only choose the different camera angle to see the match, share and play. This is the picture of virtual stadium experience. Advantages: real time information, more engaging, customize your view, share with friends, fun challenges. And the disadvantages are lack of authentic atmosphere, limited in activity, dependence on technology, cost of VR equipment. Thank you.